straight to what I'm here to do. Who am I? I'm Julius. I'm a software engineer. And then I'm a Google community organizer lead globally. And I'm a Pi Club lead, as Ezra said. Thank you, sir. Clap for him, guys. Clap for him. Great. And then I'm a crowdsourced by Google influencer as well. I'm a Paybox ambassador. I'm a DjangoCon organizer. Wherever you hear DjangoCon, I'm part of it. DjangoCon US, DjangoCon Europe, DjangoCon Africa. I'm part of all of them as an organizer. I'm a mobile engineer. So, what am I here for? What am I here to do? I'm here to talk about some simple thing, but I'll need your help. Are you guys ready to help me? Thank you very much. I'll be speaking on FastDjango, Conjuring Powerful API. That's AI-generated title. Forget about that, actually. We don't have to stress ourselves if AI can do most of the work for us, right? So wherever I give my talks, anyone who has seen me give a talk anywhere knows this slide very much. I normally need help when I'm speaking on stage or anywhere. I need you guys to help me talk slow if you have realized I'm talking very fast, right? So I'll need you guys to give me, whenever you see me or you hear me talking very fast, you can just give me a sign like this. The core concept of Django Ninja. You will learn how to set up and develop APIs with Django. You learn how to develop APIs with Django Ninja, basics of Django Ninja, then the rest, right? I don't have time. Right, so, what is Django Ninja? How many of you guys don't write in Fast API? I think I saw a few people. So basically, Django Ninja makes your work easy, right? When you're writing Fast API. When you're writing API, sorry. It doesn't give you the stress. Who understands stress? Do you want to stress yourself? Do you want to stress yourself? Yes. Yes, we don't like stress, right? So we normally go with easy stuffs. And then that is why I'm introducing Django Ninja. So if you don't know Django Ninja, you can learn today and tomorrow you can start coding in Django Ninja. That gives you how easy to learn this, right? So Django Ninja is a web framework for building APIs with Django, designed to be fast and easy to use. Very easy. And you understand why I'm saying it's very easy. Guys, you can put your note. God bless you, sir. What's your name? Do I know you? What's your name? Emmanuel, I'll give you something, okay? You are taking note. Great. So, what are the key features of Django Ninja? It is very easy, as I was just saying. Very easy, and it is very fast. So if you know Fast API, you will know what I'm talking about. But it is very fast as well. It is Django friendly. So if you understand Django already, you are good to go. You don't even have to learn. Just have to rush through, right? And then it is production ready. Good. So what is the purpose? Why am I saying you should go and learn Django? If you can write your APIs in Go, you can write your APIs in all your languages. Why am I advocating for Django Ninja? Because we don't have time. We need something quick, right? So it's to provide Django developers with a tool to rapidly develop APIs by bringing Fast API's approach to Django. So me like this, I'm a Django developer and I head of Fast API. Hey, people are saying Fast API is very fast. It is easy. It makes your work very fast, as the name says. But I didn't want to leave my Django alone. What do I do? Do I have to leave Django and go and learn Fast API and abandon my Django? Because Django also came with some powerful stuffs that can help you with, right? So basically, someone sat there and said that, okay, why don't we add some features from Fast API to Django? Why are you smiling too much, bro? Please take pictures, I beg. I'll have to post it. Right? So, yes, so what are the benefits? Fast API development. It is type. How many of us understand type checks? Right? I'll explain, don't worry. You don't understand. I'll explain. Then automatic open documentation. If you have realized, when you're writing your APIs, you have to document it, you have to test it using maybe any API testing platform like Postman or whatever you guys use, right? But with Django Ninja, when you're writing your APIs, it's automatically documented for you. You just go straight and test it online, right? Great. So let's go straight. Fast API-like features in Django Ninja. Now, type checking. Basically, when you're writing a function, okay, and you don't give a type check, you are opening the function to return anything. For instance, I'm writing a function, then I'm supposed to return integer. But without a type int, let me put it this way. Maybe you have written an API and you are trying to accept an integer. But without a type hint, someone can put in string and it will crash your app. Do you understand? So you can give a type hint or type check that this should take integer. So that is what it looks like. You will see it very soon. And it makes sure that your code is validated. Automatic API, as I said, once you write your endpoint, the Django Ninja is giving you the nice Swagger UI interface, documenting your code for you. And then, okay. So how do you set up your Django Ninja? Or how do you set up and develop APIs with Django Ninja? One. Okay, so if you want to, you can scan and go straight to Django Ninja. And but because we don't have time, just write the name on Google and you can just go straight to their documentation. So one, you install the Django Ninja, and this is how you install Django Ninja. First, you need to install Django Ninja by, how many of us know about UV? But you guys install packages with pip install something, right? Now I'm teaching you something new because you guys don't know UV. Pip is a good tool, but UV make you install your apps in seconds, your packages in seconds. Jason was saying something behind me at the back that, bro, UV is very fast. And I said, you're not hearing about UV. So UV lets you install packages very fast. So for instance, you want to install Django Ninja, but first you have to use pip to install UV. Great. So you do pip install UV, then now you can come and write UV pip install Django Ninja. And in seconds, you should have that package on your PC, right? And then, am I going back? Great. And then, after you are done installing your Django Ninja, you already know if you want to start Django project, you have to do Django admin start project, right? Yeah. But this, you don't really need that. You can do that because it's still Django. But if you are not writing anything Django, like, you can just go straight into creating your new folder and start importing your dependencies. And then, start writing the APIs, you are good to go. You understand very soon. We'll do a basic of Django Ninja. Let's do it together. Yeah, so now that our environment is set up, we can create a simple Django Ninja API for our sneaky RESTful services. We will create an API for sneaky task manager, right? So let's all do this together. Now, Django admin start projects, because I want to include Django. You can choose not to do it. No one is going to hold you. But because I'm going to use some Django features, right? So Django admin start project, sneaky project. Now, you know, after you start your Django admin, you have to create an app, right? So you do python manage.py start app task manager. Then I open an app. I create a file, any file you want. Then you can say from Ninja import Ninja API. Now, after that, we have to create instance. I can't be writing Ninja API all the time. So I can create an instance by saying API is equal to Ninja API. Are we good? Do we understand? Nice, I'm teaching, right? Clap for me, guys. Clap. Great. So, if you know Django, I'm going to create my models because I'm creating something about task. When I'm creating, because a task is something that you guys know what task is. So I go to my models.py, I create a class called task, I give it a field, title, description, completed, and created API, created that. Now I'm going to write API for this in Django Ninja. I go to my any file, maybe api.py, and then I import my Django Ninja, as I said. I import my models that I created earlier, right? Then I can start and I give an instance to the Ninja API. Then because I want to first do a get request, this is how I write it. I'll do api.get, then I give the path in the parentheses. Do you understand? So now I create a function that calls list task because I want to list all the tasks in my database. So I'll write return tasks.object.all, and that's it. Is it simple? This guy is smiling. See, you are going to use it from here, right? That's good. Then I'm done with the get request. Now I'm going to do post. I'll do api.post, and I add my path. So those things you see in the quotations are path, right? So maybe you can say anything you want in the path. Then I'll do, so check this. Def create task request title a column string. That's the type hint. I'm trying to say that this title should be a string. If someone input an integer, it shouldn't even allow the person to input an integer. It should input a string. That's why we have column string. You don't by forcefully have to put it there, but it's to validate the function, right? Then you can do description. Description too is a string. Then I'm good to go. Then I'm done with the post. Then I go and do API.put. So we have API.get. We have HTTP requests like get, post request, links, and everything. So now, if you want to write an API request, you can do API dot the request you want to do. So API.get, API.post, API.whatever. Now, Django Ninja versus Django REST framework. Choosing the right framework. Okay, let me just, because of time, let me just do the differences. Key features. Good. So, I'm not saying stop using Django REST framework, right? It is a very powerful tool, but you can try Django Ninja too. But for the new people who want to go into Django API writing, they can consider Django Ninja because DRF is more complex. That Django REST framework, if you don't understand, is more complex and opinionated, while Django Ninja is lightweight and flexible, right? And DRF has a steeper learning curve, while Django Ninja is easy to pick up. DRF has more built-in features, whilst Django Ninja is more customizable. Sorry, you can add your own ORM if you want. If you don't want the Django ORM, go with your ORM. We have Tortoise ORM, SQL Alchemy. You are free to use any of them but Django forces you to use your ORM. Okay, but Django Ninja gives you the flexibility. When to choose Django Ninja? You can choose Django Ninja if you are building a small API or a small medium-sized API project. If you want to use lightweight and flexible and easy to use tool to write your APIs. And then if you're looking for a framework with a smaller learning curve, if you're not ready to really learn a lot, just to get some few things done, just go with Django Ninja, right? And then adopt best practices, right? As I said, make sure that from now onwards, when you're writing your functions, type hint them, right? Pydantic, just use type hint. So when you write, if you're writing a function that takes parameters or arguments like maybe a string, make sure that you add column str to give type hint. That's the best practice. And then, now this is how I structure my simple project in Django. I create some few files. Models.py to take all my models, API to take all my APIs, and the schemas to write my schemas. Okay, then we are good to go. Good. That brings me to the end of my talk. Any question, guys? I think you can shout. Sorry. Please, anyone can answer that. As I said, if you can answer, put your hands up. But yes, let me answer that. You can join any club to learn Python. I don't know if you have PyClub. Do they have PyClub here? You has. Okay, so someone can start from here. Then please, you can join that team and you can learn from. But other than that, we have a lot of Python home. Yeah, the user group, they will teach you. Okay. So if you don't understand, you can see me after here and I'll walk you through. Any other question? My boss, where is he? Yes, sir. Yeah. I swear I don't know. But yes, Django Ninja is customizable. You can use it for GraphQL. So I advise that, me like this, I don't normally use GraphQL, but I use REST. But I advise that in your next project, try using Django with GraphQL to make your life easier and see something, right? I don't know if I've answered your question, but see me after here. I'll think about it and come and answer you, right? Thank you. Any other question, please? It's a. You need access to my slides. If you want to look at my face, I'll give it to you. I'll share it with the organizers, and then you can have it. Guys, any other question comes, you can follow me too as well on LinkedIn, Twitter, or anywhere else. Thank you so much. Thank you, PyHo, for having me. Right.